Today's video is about unboxing tommeetippee nasal aspirator nose ease unblock stuffy nose for the babies, and I just bought this one and unboxing it really. So this is the main unit, and then it comes with 3 different colored tubes: pink one, white and orangey color. And there's also kind of trays which goes inside this unit so that it can collect mucus. And here's the handy instruction booklet. I still have to start using it, but the pink, I'll tell you, pink silicone tip, this one is for 0 to 3 months, and then the blue one, sorry, this is not white, kind of bluish, the bluish one is for 3 to 12 months, and the orangey silicone tip is for 12 months plus babies. And yeah, there is a spare silicone ring in it, and the box contains disposable cups, which are these ones, and then the tips, and also the main device. I still have to start using it, so once I will start using it I can provide a better review, but for now I just wanted to unbox it. And it says during the first year baby's tiny nostrils can easily get stuffy and blocked, so the nasal aspirator is a safe one, and it's electric, helps baby to breathe, feed and sleep more easily, and it's gentle and comfortable for babies and of course for parents to use it. So once I use it, then I can give a review. So that's about today's video. Thank you.